Finally went live. I was messing around. I'm like, okay, I gotta go live. I was messing around, man. I was messing around. We got the chat going. But you know, we missed that Rubman emote. How do we get that on YouTube, yo? How do we get it on the YouTube? Best we get is like Doge in a box. Best we are cat. I don't know what this is. I can't even see it. I think it's a cat. I think it's a cat in a box. Yeah. Best we get. Here we go. Alright, so we need to go. Wait, let me get TradesViz up here. I don't have that up yet. Oh, do TradesViz. Well, we'll look at market conditions, then we'll look at TradesViz, and then we'll look at my watch list. And I burped on stream there. It's kind of ladylike. All right, it's hot here, chat. It's hot where you are. It is warm. My time is here. Be 10 days. I gotta get this on the other screen. We gotta go. Gotta go, chat. Got things to do today, chat. Got to go. Sit up straight. Okay. There we go. Do I have everything I need? Because I'm gonna be here a minute. I think we're good. I think we can go live. Here we go. Woo woo woo. Got all lights on? Yeah, I think we do. Yeah. I don't have my big braid today. That's alright. I don't, you know, this Streamlabs, I don't know, this Streamlabs interface with the chat just bothers me. Because I have to open up a separate thing, I don't know, just, whatever. I'm just not used to it. We'll just put YouTube right here then. Where's the chat? Okay, that's... I'm also getting this weird error and toss. It's like... maybe it's something I have running. Maybe it's one of the things I have running. Like insufficient permission. So is it trying to get some... I don't know, maybe one of my indicators is getting data that's like not allowed anymore or something. I don't know. But it keeps popping up over and over and over again. So if you have any chat, can go and crowdsource like what's going on, man. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why I keep getting this error message. Maybe we'll see it on stream. Maybe we'll see it. Alright, what do we got going on here, chat? So we got 5 days of market activity. Well, actually, wait, it was a week, but whatever. What do you see here? Because I see like... what do you see? I gotta go see... No, the screen looks okay. It's like downscaling myself, though. That's kind of lame. I'm being negative. People don't want to hear negativity. But I can't actually see my stream. It's so blurry. I'm looking at my stream through YouTube. It's super blurry. Can I fix that? Can other people fix it? Stable volume. There's a stable volume option if you're a viewer. Yeah, it says that the quality is 480p. Fucking AOL online days there. Okay. Yeah, mine here just in the window. I mean, it doesn't really matter because I'm just here to see what it looks like. It just, whatever. We gotta get going though. We're behind schedule. What do we got here? We have the Dow is really up. Okay, I gotta go look at this. So the Dow is hot. Wait, okay, I need to really. So the Dow had a week, I guess we would say. The Dow is up 1.3% last week. This is only up a half. This is weird. It's kind of a reversal. What about that year? I'm diverging right now. So it's just having a moment, basically. It's having a moment. The Dow is having a moment, but NASDAQ and SPX are like far and away having a year. Let me tell you about it. All right. Last 5 days, though, the Dow was up. Last 10 days follows the trend. They're all kind of up, though. Yeah, I don't think there's one time frame. So quarter, a little lower. 6 months. Year to date. 1 year. 3 years. We're going way out, chat. Markets only go up, chat. I'm joking. Why do I just have SPX now? Why did the other ones like disappear? That's weird. I didn't click anything, did I? No, I didn't. It just flipped out. So yeah, I mean, everything's kind of still bullish. I guess that's all you'd say. In some way, shape, or form. This is pulling back a little bit, so there could be opportunity. We get like a change. So, can we? Can we do that? I don't think you can here. Maybe. Yeah. I don't really look at the SPX. I look at something else. I don't remember what it is. I would put like futures contracts on here, but I guess this is okay. These two are pulling back a little bit, so there's a little bit of a pullback. At least just in the last week. But everything's still up. I mean, in some ways, it's still really bullish. Like, I don't know. I guess that's kind of the thing that I see here. Yeah, well, I mean, we're up. Like, and a little pullback here might present an opportunity to go long something that, you know, whatever, that could be on the list. We can take a look at that. So, this was an OPEX. So this pullback, I don't know, we'll see what happens. I mean, again, everything is up on the year. So I think this just represents a small pullback in the short term. So there you go. Let's go look at the trades for the week. Positive week, but not, oh, that's the whole month, 7 days. Yeah, it's not very much. Not enough to justify what I do here. So we need to change that. Let's go to the trades table though. I did more trades than this. I don't have enough. It's only 7 trades. It uploaded like 13 executions. Alright, so I need to commit to more trades, and that is it. Like, I still need to do more trades. We need more trades. We need more trades. I have some things on, and I've been kind of in and out of them. But I want to see 15 here every week. We need to do more. So I need to get like, I need to make myself like a checklist then. I need to make myself like, here it is again, access denied, insufficient permission attempted for attempt. What operation am I attempting? The thing is just open. That's why I think it's something, trying to do something in the background. It's like trying to access some sort of data that's not running right now. I'll see if I get this error tomorrow, and then I'll research it tonight though. I'll see what it might be, what I have to get rid of. But in my notebook, I have to do something tonight where I can make a checklist that I'm getting at least 15 trades a week. That is 3 trades a day. That's kind of what I was doing. I was kind of in and out of things, but I want to see 15 on there. That's what I want to see. So that's what I need to do. So I need to redo this too. I need to rethink. Not really rethink, but like, I did this before though. I think I have a template somewhere. Anyway, I need to make a template. I just don't want to put these notes. Like way down here. I gotta take this out of the template. We're doing that right now. We don't even use TraderSync anymore. And the only reason I don't use it is because I started trading futures and it doesn't automatically connect with futures. So even if you manually upload your stuff to TraderSync, it doesn't register the futures, and that kind of made me upset. So it didn't really make me upset. That shouldn't say upset. It was just more like cumbersome. I didn't want to like be bogged down by entering futures contracts. Let's edit this. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Okay, you can't see what I'm doing. I'm updating my template for my notebook. I wonder if I could just make these like... Because like this is more like... It's reminders, it's okay, but like... Watch lists... I think the hourly and the daily can go on the weekly, but this needs to be like the 15-minute and the 5-minute. If I'm talking about day trading, if this is a day trading journal, this needs to not be 1 hour. That gets confusing. You can't have where I could have it though is like where I reflect on the trades. So like when I'm checking my trades, I don't need like down here at like end of the day review. I need like end of the day review, and that's where I can put the daily and the hourly watch lists, because that's when I need to be looking at them. So the 15 hour, that's 15-minute. That'd be an interesting time frame. Does anybody trade on the 15-hour time frame? On the 15 frame. Oh yeah, and then earnings. Oh god, earnings is coming up. We're like a month out from earnings. I think I need to do an earnings. I need to do an earnings winter scan, so we'll be doing that today. So anyone that did well on earnings, where are they at now? And is there an opportunity to do something with it as it goes back into earnings? Because if it had good earnings, probably going to go up. Bad earnings, probably going to go down until earnings. And then you're out before earnings. And everything being so dang bullish, like scary bullish. I don't like the length of this. It makes me scroll. So how do I change this? I need to make these. This is wasting time. I need to do this later. Is this underneath this? Yes. Yas. Okay. Turn into toggle list. Thank you. I want it here because, like, it's a good reminder, but you don't even know what I'm doing. I need to show you what I'm doing. I'll just move it over so you can see what I'm doing. So this is my journal template. Yeah. I'm just changing this into a toggle list. There we go. And then I have my... I could just move these up here. And then I work through my watch list here, so I don't really want this to be timed so much as I want it to be set up. This does say weekly watch list, but that's like confusing on a daily. I guess it's not. So maybe this could be like the daily watch list. Yeah, here we go. And then this can be brought over from the weekly one. And then down here you need to be analyzing your trades. See. Maybe I could delete these. I just want to delete these two rows. Do that. Delete. Okay. Not what I wanted to do. That's what I wanted to do. If it's day trading, we're talking about like the 15-minute trend. You kind of look at like the daily and the 15. I like this, but I don't like it, so we're gonna get rid of it. I don't know how to deal with these yet. Hot zone. News. I wonder if I can get that same news feed in here. have here. That might be too much to put this in like every day. Barely move it to the template. Maybe all I need to do is and I need to go into the template. And I want to do here. Go. I don't know if this is gonna work. No. There we go. Got the news in the journal now. There we go. Okay. Righto. And I gotta work on these, but I like that move right there, so we will delete this. Nice. Okay. The 624, everybody. Got it. So we are, where are we at? Here. All right. Oh, cool. All right. This one probably needs to be updated too. But we'll go with it for now. We gotta get through this. It's the end of this week, 28th. Okay, the 4th of July is already coming up, chat. Like, that's crazy. That is crazy. Okay. Let's go do it. The market went up this day. I should have gone on TQQ. Okay. Why did I buy it here? Maybe what was I doing here? So the 17th? 17th. Let's go back. It was this, the 17th. I think it fell below VWAP. It was above VWAP for a second, and then it fell below. Probably should have just gone with TQQ on that one. That's alright though. I think it's just because it popped above and I gave it a shot. I think that's all it was. Just didn't work out. Oh, VWAP too. All right. Speedbird? This was my idea from last week, is the strength in utilities, but it didn't quite work. I had a good day, but then it died the next day, but then it came back. So this I might revisit. So this was supposed to be a swing trade. I don't know, there really is no reason to get out of this trade this day. Maybe I just took some off, maybe? So this was the 20th. Head over there. And this was multiple times. Yeah, so this was the last of the trades that I did here on this one. All right, there we go. Still have this trade on. And this was based on sector performance. It's kind of a swing trade. All right. All right. On to the next one. That's all it gave me. I mean, at least there you go. There's a trade for you. That's kind of what your trade should look like. I only got that part of the move though. That's all I got. Notebook. Oh. We go through and categorize these. This is taking up a lot of space. This needs to be one thing. Right? On to the next. Right, it's other part of the trade. So let's call it the same thing. Oh, this might be the one where I still have a little bit of this on. I have some SQQQ on. Oh man. Oh, I worked out for a stream. Feeling it now. Oh boy. Oh man. Alright, more trades, proper size. Tomorrow is 1% because it is a Monday. So you take 1% risk. 1% risk. Uh-oh. Doorbell. Do I need to get... Alright, cake break. That's what that was. Alright, let's keep going here. Let's take a look at go. Let's go ahead and take a look at six. Got that sitting waiting for us. Good. Right here, showing us things. Making them about that size. Man, I'm getting some bites. Ow. Bites. Oh, I had the wrong filter on. Yay! Let's go. That's good. Righto. Okay. Kind of like broke even, then we brought it back up again. Okay. I don't want to look at these. We're just gonna look at this. Okay. Let's see. We have one more week here in the month. Take a look here. Days of the week. Tuesday. Yep. Okay. This is the whole month. So Tuesday through Thursday, take full size. Monday, Friday, a little bit of a caution. 1% risk. Let's go, chat. Let's go. Okay. Next thing, let's look at the current set of watch lists. Okay, it's packaged on the inside. Is it like part of a pack? Did that like come from a... Well, it's like it was part of... Did you open up a pack of 2, or is it... Okay. Okay, they came before Monday. No, you have to. Yeah, I stocked up on those because they've been having issues. Can't say what it is though. Ha ha ha. No, I'm joking. Actually, I can't. But where did I put my? I need to change this. This whole weekly setup thing. Not cutting it. The only thing I use there is the watch list. I think I put everything in here. Okay. Oh, I did, but then I changed my template, so now it's gone. Oh, that's not good. Did I not put it in there? Oh, I didn't. I think it was like Amazon. We'll go back through it. It was like Amazon for like day trades, and then I saw some energy stuff yesterday. I was looking for stuff. So we'll formalize it today. That was my bad for not copying that before I got rid of my template. I'm just gonna say watch them. And then I'll specify so the 24th to the 8th. 28th. Alright, let's go back here. I think Amazon, it fell under communication, so like it could fall under a couple of things like consumer discretionary, or it could fall under communications. It's showing up in communications as something to trade. Let's go ahead and change our view here. Oh, no, we got it. We got it. Yeah, Bitcoin's or Bitto's in a downtrend for sure. If it'll bounce from here, but it isn't a pretty strong downtrend. It did bounce off the 200 here. But anyway, if you trade this, like, I would probably trade it to downside, but it's not moving very much. So I don't know if that's your strongest situation. Oh, and then I also went through, so we'll just start with that. Well, let's start here. So if we look at the... What are you doing? Here we go. Alright, if we look at our sectors, go a year, here we go. They have all these communications, all that really high. If we go, or gaining, whatever, they're positive. Well, let's go 1 month. Well, 3 months, we'll do 1 year, 3 month. Still SMH, XLK, XLU. What is IWB again? IWB is the Russell. Okay. IWB is a Russell, communications, staples, healthcare. I think this is like home builders. Oh, biotech. Biotech. Man, what's in these? One month we still have SMH on top, XLK, SPY, XLY, XLC. Oh, interesting. That made a little move this month. Okay. Where's XLY? Here. Okay. But it is down though. Super Discretionary is down. Up on the year though, so maybe just pull back then. Solar's down on the year. Solar names are down. That's the only thing that's really down. Everything else is like bullish on the year. And if you look at like 3 month trend here, so we have SMH, XLK, XLU. The only thing that I'm interested in XLU is like NextEra Energy. I didn't really find anything else to trade there. That's the Russell, XLC, and then I was looking at, because energy is up on the year, but it's having a moment. So I did actually look for shorts in energy, but from I guess what I was looking at, I looked at Halliburton. Oh, this is, look at them up here. HAL. Get rid of the level 2s. Anything extraneous. You don't need the news. So this is Halliburton. It isn't a downtrend for sure. But it is hitting this area of support. So I kind of saw that there, and then what else did I go to? I went to ConocoPhillips. So on the daily, it's hitting support. It is under the 200, so it is bearish. That's no joke. But these are all falling into levels of support, and if we look at this on the weekly, like, it's still above its 200, it's still here. What's this time frame? 1 year weekly? Like, we're in this is still an uptrend. So it's hitting this uptrend line. The one that interested me because of the price is Devon. And if you look at this on the weekly, this is a longer term play. So the thesis behind this is a little bit longer term. This is more sideways, so ConocoPhillips is probably a better option because it is in an uptrend. But if we go out like that's 1 year, 3 years. What that error is. So 3-year weekly. In 3-year weekly, it's hitting its 200. And it's staying above it, it's flirting with it, it's still in an uptrend. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna go back to 80, but maybe it could go to 60, maybe it can go to 55, even if it's trading sideways. So this one, I'm starting a small position in here for a longer, like, save this for the end of the year, like, give this one like 6 months. Seriously, that's kind of my plan with this. Earnings might be a problem, but it's not till August. I mean, based on this earnings, yeah, I think we hold on to this. Let's see the actual size. I started with 100 shares. I keep sniffling my nose. So Devin, okay, let's actually look at what I could do here. So divided by so I'm about right. I have 100 shares. I could do 115 shares if I wanted to. So we have the size we need for that position. So we're just gonna let it go. See what happens. Even though, yeah, I mean, I should short it, I guess, but it's already at a low. It's at support. On the weekly chart, it's at support. And, you know, that hasn't happened since March. It might go lower. But we'll see. So if it drops below, what's my risk on this? So if I'm taking the 1%, that's gonna be, yeah, I mean, if it travels down below here, that's literally, that's my risk. Upsides up here, so it's kind of 1-to-1 right now. If I really take that full risk, I could do 250. That would put it down here. That's the warning bell level. I mean, at that point, what I might do if it did that is, so let's say it gets down here, maybe I start selling calls on it. I start selling calls on it. Okay. Okay, we got it. So it actually turned in from being like, oh, let's look for shorts to like, oh, well, maybe these might come back at some point. So that's kind of where I ended up with those. Let's take a look at XLE. I mean, come on! From here to here to here to here, like... I think this is a little stealthy uptrend is what I'm seeing. Anyway. We'll see. There's probably some cyclicality to this too, like time of year, that kind of stuff, so... So that's on the list. Okay. So Devon is on the list for a longer term hold. I still have AT&T. I have some SQQQ. And just because, like, you never know, might be some follow through. And then I also have one of my Oxy positions left. Trying to get that to $100. That's what I'm trying to do with that. I'm selling some puts in Oxy. Still, again, a bullish thing. It's kind of bullish to sideways on Oxy, but it was down to like 59. And every time it gets around 59, 56, something like that, like there's support there. So that's why that position is on. But let's go to, what was I seeing in Amazon? Because again, I kind of got rid of that. So I think I looked at communications. So I went to an interactive, which you can't see, you're only gonna be able to see the chart. So I'm in their little scanner tool, and I go to communications, I go 13-week high because that sector's moving up. And I look for things trading with high volume. So that's what I look for. On the weekends, sometimes it doesn't want to work. It doesn't want to sort the volume. Why is it being a punk? Oh, it's going... I'm clicking it too much. Maybe we have to wait here. We gotta be patient. It doesn't want to sort. This is driving me nuts. Oh, yeah, I think I've hit it so many times now, it like... it doesn't want to sort. Maybe I'll exit and enter it again. Okay. So what do I need? I need, for the short, I need like 3 trades for the week, and then maybe something I'm watching. I'm relaunching Interactive Brokers to see if we can get a... And that. I mean, we're bullish here, but we are... What I guess my hesitation was that we were hitting... Angry computer. Too much going on. Okay. Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. And this thing's just bullish all around. Okay, hit it once. Leave it alone. There we go. So the reason I chose Amazon because it had the highest volume. So and 73.2 million shares traded. Next is Google, and then Gen Digital, Extreme Networks. I don't know what Extreme Networks is. What's that? What is Extreme Networks? Now it's blipping around. EXTR. XT. Oh, what is this thing? What is this? What is this thing? What is EXTR? Extremes Network Cloud Networking Solution. It's a cloud networking solution for you, chat. Oh. What happened here? Oh. News? Stream. $16 a share. Oh. Well, maybe this one's too, chat. This one I might add to my list. Doesn't have to be on your list. You make sure you're doing research. It's for educational and informational purposes only. Not to be construed as advice or not meant to be advice or recommendation in any way. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. $1.6 billion. Huh. %8 return on a covered call. Oh. This would be a pure momentum play. It has come down from quite a high, though. And really, to be bullish, you have to be up here. But it's been doing it. It's gone up $2 in the last few days. Lots of volume. Well, let's put it on the watch list. That's for sure. That's going on the watch list. Alright, I'll put it here, but like... I don't know what I want to do with that yet, but it has all the characteristics of things that could be interesting. So, in a sector that's moving up, lots of volume, it has an uptrend, at least down in the short term. It's trying to go higher. We'll see. So EX or EX, yeah, EXTR. I need the volume on here. What's the ATRs? It's not moving that much. That would be my hesitation here, but I'll take a picture of it. I'm interested in mostly in the volume. I've never really heard it before. You can keep an eye on it. I don't know what I want to do with it yet. I don't know. Maybe it just keeps going up and you just buy it. I don't know. I don't know what to do with it yet. So Amazon we know about. Can we do anything with Google? Let me just double check on Google. Let's see. I mean, it's up in here. This is puts. I mean, until it gets to here, and then you buy calls. Maybe on the hourly one, we just use the daily, the HPMRs on here. It's probably gonna pull back. Probably gonna pull back a little bit, and then I might take a look at it. So I might look at Google again tomorrow, see where it is. I'm not terribly interested here. It's at all-time highs. Yeah, it just made an all-time high. It's kind of in this range where you're supposed to say, okay, it's probably going back down a little bit, let it cool off, and then we'll see what it does. Was there anything else that was interesting to me in this list? Maybe Chewy? We can see how that's how it's doing. It just went bullish on the daily. Above its 200. And this would be pure momentum. Maybe go long at 24. We'll put an alert in. Alright, we'll go ahead and go to the journal. Oh, it's over. I keep forgetting it's in a different spot. Okay, Chewy. We have Devin. Okay. Let me get this picture of Chewy. Chewy's on the daily though. Yeah. Definitely daily situation. So this one you'd have to hold for a minute. What is earnings? What are their next earnings? Their next earnings are in August. This might be a great opportunity. Should just put something in now. Let's find the beta. I might already have it. Is it in here? No. Let's see. Divided by. I could do about 100 shares. Do that. Let's just do it. Alright, we have Chewy in and we have Devin in. This is more to earnings, so it is on the daily, so I need to make a note of that. This is a daily chart trade. Go ahead and get charts. Okay, let's get Amazon again. Chewy Amazon. Okay. I think for me it was like a day trade. Preferably the long side. Yeah, it's trying to make all time. It still has, you can get up there to new highs. You could do it. You could do it, little Amazon. Talk like that. But see, it's trending on the hourly, 15-minute and the hourly. Not really on the daily. It's trading sideways. So unless it breaks out, this on the daily could probably be a call vertical. I don't know if it's gonna make all new highs. I didn't tell you that. I mean, it's come up here 1, 2. It's testing a third time now. Up here. I mean, if it doesn't get above, let's just look at it. Let's go look at a call vertical on Amazon. I was doing some put ones, but I think right now, like that, if I still had it, I would probably keep it, but it's really volatile. But we are bullish on Amazon's volatile, just as like, because I get kind of tweaked out like on the shorter time frames when I have these positions on, but like right there, like I'd probably have to give myself a lot of time on this one. So I would do like a 195, 200 call vertical. I mean, it shows it's kind of trading sideways right now. Like, yeah, it's green. I guess it could resume the trend. It's just in this choppy period. I mean, it might bust out, but you could still break even on this trade, even if it was at 196 at expiration. What's the risk on this trade? So it's the difference between the spread. So it's $500. I think you need at least 3 of these. I think you have to take them off at certain times. I don't know what this should be. Let's put it on and then like let's see where it falls on the chart. This is if you sell the ask. So now the trade would be up here. So I'd be selling. So it'd be up here. Selling the 95, buying the 200. Or maybe this thing just goes to 200. I don't know. Almost 5. As long as it didn't go above here, you're fine. It can go to 196 and still break even on the trade. What are my downside targets? So I would have to... I'd have to take one off, I think, if it got below the 200. Whoa, that's... Whoa. What time frame do you want to look at this at? So if we set this up... So the first target could be... Has to be something below this 200. So I'm looking at the daily chart, 184. 184 works. That's the first mean reversion. So this would be one where you would take it off. Maybe the red line. So the red line would be the next. Make sure I still have sound. I do. Okay. So... This would be the next one, 180. And then from there, we just let it ride. Okay, I was just making sure I get paranoid. Okay. So just that it stays down here. That's all. So I think we got that one in the books. So I have my AT&T trade still on. Devon, that is very long term. That is a weekly timeline frame chart. Chewy's a day time frame. Amazon, you know, with it being a spread, it's probably gonna have to be the daily time frame. So we have it marked on the daily. If it starts to go higher, we might actually get that price, so don't worry about it. That's way up here. That's like, starts trading up here, like, We have time to think about this one. So if it starts to go a little... Amazon looks like it's really going for it. We don't necessarily have to get in this trade. That's what we could do. What do I want to trade tomorrow? I guess. What's the game plan for tomorrow to trade? I do have SQQQ on, so if that is above VWAP, we can... And why do I still have this on? Why do I even have this on, though? Like... It's against me a little bit. Teeny tiny bit. So we'll have to watch this. We might flip it to TQQQ. We'll see. We'll see how the market kind of reacts. Again, the Qs are... or the NASDAQ, whatever, is in a little bit of a drawdown right now, but again, it's still very high on the year, so it could just be a small drawdown. Any events tomorrow? So the 24th, we have an FOMC speaker, 2 p.m. Okay. 2 p.m. Pacific, so whatever that is for you. I'm looking at Forex Factory right now. Tuesday. Goddamn consumer confidence numbers. Anyway, so we have Tuesday consumer confidence. Bunch of Fed speakers. Wednesday crude oil inventories. Thursday durable goods. Final GDP. Ooh, that'll be kind of a big one. Pending home sales at 7 a.m. or 7. Yeah, it's like, no. It's 10 a.m. Or is these Eastern times? These should be Pacific. Or maybe this is Eastern. I don't know what time zone. Anyway, pending home sales. What is the time zone here? Oh, it's Eastern time. Let's change that. 8 seconds. There we go. Yeah, 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Friday's PCE. Oh. Well, then the planning and seriously? So we get 2 consumer confidence numbers this week. Yikes. And we have core PCE, which better not be higher. And then University of Michigan consumer sentiment. What's this Fed monitor? What is this? Oh, wait. Is he gonna speak? So Friday, there's a Fed monetary policy report. And we have consumer sentiment, we have PCE. Well, I guess we'll see what the trades do on Friday. Because that's a little wild and crazy. We get unemployment Thursday, pending home sales Thursday. Lots of Fed speak. Up, down, sideways, twirly whirly. That's kind of why I'm selling premium. I'm not even joking. I'm like, you know, I don't know what direction it's gonna go. Maybe it goes sideways at best, and that's kind of what we're hoping for. I think that's like with that Amazon trade, that's what we're hoping for. Oh, and if we do this, so we paid we're getting 195 credit. Divided by 2. So 198, 195. 195 divided by 2 is 97.50. That's about right. Each one's about 200 bucks, so you should get 200, $100 each, so $300. So you want $300 from this trade. This you don't know. This is a long-term stretch, but from this Amazon trade, I want $300. That's what I want from it. So we'll see. So it sounds like there's going to be some activity next week. That's I don't know if we'll see more rotation, so we'll see what happens. Let me look at this again. I've never really seen this. So March, okay. We have the end of the month here. And I will be traveling, so I do want things that can be on a little bit longer. Okay. The markets are closed July 4th, but not on the 3rd and not another weird in-between week holiday. I think the other sector that I scanned was healthcare. I'm not sure what I came up with there, so I'll have to run that one again. Let's just go ahead and run it real quick, like. Honestly, just run, yeah, all the consumer cyclical, non-cyclical, just run it all together. And you kind of have to sort it for... I wonder if it'd be better... I wish you could do it by category. Yeah, this isn't... I just want medical. I don't want it to say medical. Alright, healthcare services. Dun, dun, dun. Too expensive. Alright, we'll go to pharmaceuticals. I think AbbVie came out. Teva's still on top. I don't know what I found here. I'll have to go back and look, but I am a little kind of I need to take a break, and then I might make my short and clean up my watch list, and I think that'll be it. So again, we're thinking about taking the proper size. We're thinking about taking enough trades. We set up trades for Amazon, Devon, Chewy, and we still have trades in T, AT&T, SQQQ, and Oxy. So those are still running, so that's good. So we'll keep an eye on those. And remember, this is for educational informational purposes only. It's not meant to be a recommendation or advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do wish you a safe and profitable trading week. And if you like what you see, make sure to follow us. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell notification icon so you always know when we go live.